What is DNA? DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. Nearly every cell in a person's body has the same DNA. Most DNA is located in the cell nucleus, where it is called nuclear DNA. But a small amount of DNA can also be found in mitochondria, and there it is called mitochondrial DNA or mtDNA. The information in DNA is stored as a code made up of 4 chemical bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. The human DNA consists of about 3 billion bases, and more than 99% of those bases are the same in all people. The order or sequence of these bases determines the information available for building and maintaining an organism, similar to the way in which letters of the alphabet appear in a certain order to form words and sentences. DNA bases pair up with each other, adenine with thymine and cytosine with guanine, to form units called base pairs. Each base is also attached to a sugar molecule and a phosphate molecule. Together, a base, sugar and phosphate are called a nucleotide. Nucleotides are arranged in 2 long strands that form a spiral, and this is called a double helix, designed or conceived by Watson and Crick. The structure of the double helix is somewhat like a ladder, with the base pairs forming the ladder's rungs and the sugar and phosphate molecules forming the vertical side pieces of the ladder. An important property of DNA is that it can replicate or make copies of itself. Each strand of DNA in the double helix can serve as a pattern for duplicating the sequence of bases. Now this is critical when cells divide, because each new cell needs to have an exact copy of the DNA present in the old cell. James Watson and Francis Crick, who created the double helix model of DNA.